Hi everyone, so welcome back in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about how to convert py to exe in Python. So for converting py to exe in Python, we have to follow few steps. So first step here is we have to install PyInstaller, and the second step is we have to install after installing PyInstaller, we have to install auto py to exe, and then we have to execute this auto py to exe in the terminal. So for this we have to let's open command prompt in the Anaconda. So here I will open Anaconda PowerShell prompt. So here I will write pip install PyInstaller. So PyInstaller is already installed in my system. That's why it's showing requirement already satisfied. So first step is like we have to install PyInstaller. Second, we have to install auto py to exe. So this one is also already installed in my system, and that's why it's showing like requirement already satisfy and all. And the third, after installing both, we have to execute auto py to exe. And now a window in app mode will open with the project running inside. So this is the window in the app mode. So here we have to browse path of the file, and this is the like you want to create one directory on one file. If you want to create one file, then you have to click on this, and you want it console based or window based. If you want in console based, basically you have to type in this command prompt to execute, but in window based window will open. And like in setting, you can give path like where you want to save the directory after converting py to exe, where you want to save it. So here you can browse that path, and after that just click on the convert py to exe. So that's all about this video, and I hope it's clear to you all. So if you like this video, then please do consider like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.